So let's take a quick overview of the business website we're gonna be creating step by step from scratch in this video using the free WordPress website theme called Sydney, which is available in the WordPress theme library. On the top left, we have the website or company logo or your business name if you want. Actually, I made this simple logo on this website, 3wlogomaker.com. Later on, I'm gonna show you how you can make your own, okay? Then on the top right, we have our menu navigation items. Then we have down here our title, subtitle, and the call to action, which leads to another page of the website. And note also that here we have a revolving slider with two beautiful images. But if you don't like it and you want the text and the images to be static, you can make some changes, okay? So you can use both ways. Set up the home page with the slider or simply a static image, okay? Underneath the image, we have our mission statement, which helps your visitors simply and quickly know what your site is about, so that they don't waste their time, okay? For this tutorial, I chose we promote women's wellness and peace of mind through skincare and beauty treatments. But once again, let me tell you that this is just an example, okay? This is just a sample. You have to build your own mission statement specific to your own business. Below the mission, we're gonna have the main values of your business, or why people should trust you, or what do they gain from purchasing from you, etc. Here, as example, we have free and fast shipping, 24 hours customer support, and 100% satisfaction. And down here, you have a call to action that says, see our products, to send the customers directly to the products page, okay? But in case they want to continue visiting the home page and see the product page later, below you have an overview of what you're offering on your website. Facial skin treatments, lightening lotions, and major global brands. And just on the right side, it's always good to show people images of what they can expect from you or from your product instead of talking too much with a lot of textual content, okay? And then we have our testimonial section, where your customers say how good your products or your services are. And then we have this awesome display functionality that makes your website more dynamic. Here we have our best sellers, or if you want, the products that people bought the most from you. We're gonna see together how it works later on in this video. And finally, at the bottom, we will have our photo section where we will add an email opt-in form so that you can start capturing leads directly from within your website. And we will add also our social network icons, so anyone who visits your website can easily connect with you on the social media. So that is the home page right here, okay? Let's quickly take a look to the internal pages, starting by the product page. In the navigation menu, let's click on product. Here is where you're gonna put all your affiliates links, okay? So that when people click on it, they will be redirected to the merchant's website. And once they purchase the product, you receive your commission, okay? This page is for all the products and services you offer on your website. Then we have testimonials. On the home page, we have a testimonial section with at least 2 testimonials. But when you click on see all our testimonials, you go directly to the testimonials page. And here we have 2 videos about skincare testimonials. If you click on the first one, you have all these women testifying how good and effective the product they used is. And the second video is the same thing. Women telling the good results of the product on their skin. And below, we have the rest of testimonial images and textual content with a little link here, which is actually your affiliate link, okay? You need to use your affiliate links wisely and place it where people are more likely to click on it right away. Here, after a testimonial about a product, it's always good to propose it to people, okay? And at the bottom, we have a link that sends us to the product page in case the visitor hasn't been there yet. And it's also good to link pages between them for a good search engine optimization, okay? Then we have the About Me page or About Us if you operate as a business. This is one of the most important pages of your website because it's one of the most visited pages after the home page. Everyone wants to know who you are, what you're about, and what they can expect from your website. And most importantly, your contact. And if someone wants to contact you directly by clicking on Contact Me Now, they're redirected down here where they can add their name, email, subject, message, and then send the message by clicking on the send button. And just on the right, you have the Google map of your exact location so that people can see where you are. We're gonna see how to add an about page on this website, okay? Then you have my blog page or our blog or simply blog. It's up to you, okay? You can start driving traffic to your website through your blog, which is a great idea. You can even make money through your blog by writing a post like the top 10 remedies for acne, for example. And within the post, you place your affiliate link for an acne treatment or stuff like that, okay? You also have an email opt-in form where you can start capturing leads on the sidebar of your site as well. We also have a search box and our recent posts and so on. And last but not least, the video tutorials. Here, the videos could be your own videos where you explain to your followers how to do something and stuff. But for the videos and images, you can also ask to the companies you promote products from, okay? When you become an affiliate to a company, some of them provide images, videos, testimonials, and many other things, okay? You just need to ask. So in this video, we're gonna be creating this awesome business WordPress website using the free WordPress business theme called Sydney. So to get started, how much is this website going to cost? We need several things, okay? Number one, we need a domain name and we need a web hosting. In this video, I'm gonna be using Insti.me for both the domain name and the web hosting. And the good news is that you have 2 weeks or 14 days trial period for just $1. So you can build your business, you can build your website and start making money before they start charging you the real price, okay? After the domain name and web hosting, the next thing you need is a theme. And in this video, I'm gonna be using the free WordPress business theme, which is Sydney theme. Easy to use and really awesome. I'm gonna show you how to set that up, okay? And next, when we have all that, the next thing you need is the time. Time to watch the video step by step and build up the website. I don't know exactly how long this video is gonna last, but I will make sure not to be too long and boring, okay? So let's say it will take around 1 hour and 45 minutes, around 2 hours, okay? So take the time to watch the video and follow along with it so that you can create this amazing professional skincare website. But you can also apply the same method to other niches, be it bodybuilding, fashion, cooking, sports, and so on. So at this point of starting building your website, the total to get started is $13 if of course you use Insti.me as your web hoster. We're gonna be building this website through 3 steps. Okay, the first one is the step 1. We need to get a domain name and a web hosting. Step 2, we need to install WordPress. And step 3, we need to build our website. So let's get started by the step 1, getting the domain name and the website hosting by going to Insti.me, and to do so, go to your web browser and type in the address you see on your screen. Or more easily, just click on the link below this video saying get your domain name and web hosting here, which is, must be said, my affiliate link, and thank you for your support. Once you're on Insti.me, you can see on the home page high impact hosting, designed to bring your business to the next level. And down here you can see just $1 to get started with everything Insti offers. Start your 14-day trial now. What I always recommend is, before starting, to take 1 or 2 minutes to look around, at least the homepage, to see what you can expect from this web hoster. But for my personal case, I've been using Insti.me for quite a long time now, and I can say that I'm really satisfied since my different websites hosted on Insti.me are doing really good. So when you're ready to start, just come here and click on start your 14-day trial now. And then after entering your email address here, you just click down here, let's get started. But make sure you give a valid email address because they are going to send your website hosting details through that email, okay? And then the next step is about the Entity.me hosting plans. The first one on the left is called Entity Starter for those who wants to use only one single website with only one domain and just 5 emails account. And about the amount, it's around $17 if billed annually or around $20 if they charge you monthly, okay? The next hosting plan on the right here is the Entity Professional. Here 1 to 10 domains could be hosted with 20 email accounts. And here also you can choose to be charged monthly or annually if you want to save some money. And last but not the least, I can even say the best hosting plan is the Entity Business with Entity.pages included. This is the most popular and the biggest money-saving hosting plan. You have an unlimited access for domains, email accounts, and so on. And for this plan, you can join from $24 a month by choosing the billing period here. 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, or 1 month, okay? So feel free to choose the plan and the billing period that suits the best for your business, okay? Anyway, further, you can always upgrade your plan as you want. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be using this plan, the Entity Business Hosting Plan, because this is the one I'm using now for my business, okay, for my different websites. So whatever plan you choose, just click here on Continue. Then Account Configuration Options. Transfer accounts from another host. Just leave it as it is, okay, no, and click Next. Then choose the domain. If you already have a domain name, you can use it by clicking the second option here. I will use my existing domain and upgrade my name servers. Just enter your domain here and the extension .com or .net, etc. and then click on Use. But if you want to go with a new domain name, you choose this first option and you put the name you want in here, okay? If your niche is broad, you can choose a broad name, even your name, why not? But if you sell to a particular niche, like the skincare niche for example, take a name that clearly shows that your website is about skincare, okay? For example, Skin of Tomorrow, just an example, okay? And you click to check the button here to see if the domain is still available. If the domain is still available, you're gonna see, congratulations, skinoftomorrow.com is available. And it's $12 for 1 year, okay? And just come down here and click on Continue. And then you have the review and the checkpoint. So here, before checking out, you have the opportunity to change some options if you want, for the web hosting as well as for the domain name. And if everything seems okay to you, you just need to come down here to the order summary. So you have $305 discount. You pay only $1 for the web hosting and $12 for the domain name. So the total due today is $13. Then you click on checkout. Then here you have the last step, the checkout, okay? Here you just need to provide your personal information, your billing address, the payment details, etc. And then click on complete orders. Of course, after checking the box, I've read and agreed to the terms of service. So this is how you get your domain name and your web hosting. After paying, you're gonna receive a message from Entity.me. Welcome, let's get started with your new account, with your login details and stuff. The next step is the WordPress install, okay? So let's move on.